Hello students. So today CBSE has released the date sheet for class 10. So you can find the date sheet from cbse.gov.in, that is cbse.gov.in, and if you go to this site, you'll go downward and below it you can see board circular. If you click it there, you'll see examination circular. You will click it there, then circulars 2021. If you click it there, you will see that is the date sheet for main examination term 1 2021. So if you click over class 10, you can download the date sheet for class 10 term 1. So yes, this is your date sheet for class 10. Now this time they are giving the date sheet for the major subjects only, and the minor subjects, it will be provided to the schools. Now the major subjects, it will be starting from 30th November, and the minor subjects, it will be starting from 17th of November. That means from 17 onwards your exam will be starting. Now you can clearly see here the date and time. Now it will start on 30th November from 11:30 to 1 p.m. First will be social science. Next, on 2nd December, you will be having science from 11:30 to 1 p.m. Then on 3rd December, you will be having 11:30 to 1 p.m. again, home science, those who are having home science. Otherwise, they will be having on 4th December, which is also starting from 11:30 to 1 p.m. So this time your exam will be starting from 11:30 a.m. and it will be ending at 1 p.m. So on 4th December, mathematics standard and mathematics basic exam will be conducted. Next, on 4th December, sorry, on 8th December, you will be having computer application, that is code number 165 from 11:30 to 1 p.m. Then on 9th December, you will be having Hindi course A and course B, and on 11th December, you will be having English language and literature. Now there are some important notes given by CBSE. You can see down, the notes are given below. Now in the notes they have given that the date sheet of minor subjects will be provided to the school separately. So they will provide the date sheet separately for the minor subjects, and the examination of these subjects will be starting from 17th of November. So from 17th of November your examination will be started. Along with above examination class 10, so class 12 also it will be started. Okay, that information also given here. Number third one, you see duration of each paper of major subjects will be for 90 minutes. Then reading time, this time they will be giving 20 minutes to read instead of 15 minutes. Fifth one, keeping in view winter season, so all the exam will be starting from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. instead of 10:30 a.m. Then sixth, further other desired information regarding examination will be provided in the admit card. So in the admit card you will get the further information, further desired informations, and also by the schools. CBSE will also update schools, candidates and parents on examination through various other modes from time to time. Information circulated on social media should not be taken into consideration. So you should not see the social media for this date sheet. You should search directly the CBSE website. Then for authenticity, you can go to the cbse.nic.in, or you can also go to cbse.gov.in. So these are the various notes they have given. So this time your all your examination is starting from 11:30 to 1 p.m. So all the best for your exams. Thank you.